I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making s'mores fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. We're a week closer to National Fudge Day, which means we're in week 2 of Fudge-a-Palooza. If you're a fan of fudge, now's a good time to be a compadre. Tonight we're taking the ingredients of s'mores, everyone's favorite campfire treat, and transforming them into a delicious fudge. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own s'mores fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 4.5 graham crackers, 18 ounces of chocolate, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 of a cup of mini marshmallows, and 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. I'm also using a microwave-safe bowl, an 8x8 pan lined with parchment, a rolling pin, and a couple of spatulas. Okay, let's make some candy. Crush the graham crackers. And set a few tablespoons aside as a topping. Microwave the sweetened condensed milk for 30 seconds. Place the chocolate into a large microwave-safe bowl and heat it in 30-second intervals, stirring after each interval until it's melted and smooth. Add the sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla, and mix until it's well combined. Fold in the marshmallows and graham cracker crumbs. Spread the mixture into the prepared pan and smooth out the top. Top it with the mini chocolate chips and graham cracker crumbs. Use an offset spatula to help the toppings adhere to the fudge. Place the fudge in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or until it's set. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. I mean, what's to say? It tastes like a s'more. The chocolate, marshmallow, and graham cracker work really well together, as I'm sure many of you are aware. It has a nice chew, and the fudge is just smooth and creamy. If you're looking for the taste of a s'more without the inconvenience of a campfire, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around. And I hope you'll join me next time. We're a week closer. The chocolate, marshmallow, and graham.